guys, today we are making sugar crystals. We will need 4 cups, 4 wooden skewers, a plate, measuring cups, mixing spoons, food coloring, sugar, and water. The first step is to grab a plate. Then sprinkle sugar onto the plate. And then take each skewer, dip into water, and roll it onto the plate, covering it with sugar. Now set aside the 4 sugar-covered sticks. In this next step, we are making a solution, which is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances. For this step, you need to grab a container and pour 1½ cups of sugar and ½ cup of water into the container gradually. Then mix until the sugar is dissolved. Repeat this step 4 times. Next step is to grab 4 empty cups and pour your sugar-water mixture into the 4 cups evenly. Then add food coloring into each cup and mix until the food coloring is mixed in. After you mix, put the 4 sugar-covered sticks into the 4 cups, 1 in each cup. Cover each cup with paper towel and leave it alone for 4 hours. Sugar crystals form on the stick because our sugar solution was a supersaturated solution, which means there was more sugar in the water-sugar solution than could be dissolved. The sugar sticks gave the sugar molecules something to cling onto, as sugar molecules crystallize in a solution when they bump into each other and stick together. This is called nucleation. Now you have your very own sugar crystals.
Whoa! This right here, this is slime. But what is slime?
A surprisingly humble cultural phenomenon, slime is a mixture of household elements that, when combined together, creates a polymer substance that acts like both a solid and a liquid depending on how you play with it. This is known as a non-Newtonian fluid.
So how are we gonna make it?
We're going to need some borax, Elmer's glue, and warm water.
With this 1 cup of water, we're gonna add it to the bowl and also add a teaspoon of borax with it.
So now that we have the water mixture, we have to prepare the glue.
So we grab a bowl and we put the glue in it. And we're good! Now,
We slowly add the water solution to the glue.
you're also gonna need something to mix it with, so I'm just gonna use the back of this. Whoa! This right here is slime.
So what happened is that the borax atoms in the water acted as a binding agent in the slime.
The borate atoms are sticking to these long polymers, making them attach to each other.
It's science!
Boom. This is our natural homemade slime. Thank you for listening, everyone.
Thank you.